Welcome to part 6 of our Modern City Living series, focusing on small living rooms and new design ideas. In this episode, we explore creative solutions for maximizing space and functionality in compact living areas. Join us. We showcase innovative furniture, clever storage solutions, and stylish decor to inspire your own small living room transformation. Don't miss out on these exciting design tips and tricks. Hi friends, Lulu here, your host for today's video. Watch this newly uploaded video and stay tuned for the next installment of our Modern City Living series, where we continue to explore innovative design ideas for urban dwellers. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content from our channel. We appreciate your support and don't want you to miss out on our upcoming videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to this cozy and stylish small living room. The floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The balcony offers a space to enjoy the view and fresh air. The soft top-color walls provide a neutral backdrop for the room, while the light-color laminate flooring adds a modern touch. Welcome to another cozy and comfy corner living room. The large windows allow plenty of natural light to fill the room, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The walls are painted in a soft top color, adding to the warm and inviting feel of the space. The gorgeous hardwood floors add a touch of elegance to the room, and the balcony offers a lovely view of the outdoors. The corner sectional sofa is the perfect spot to curl up with a good book, the ottoman provides a comfortable place to rest your feet, and the coffee table is the perfect spot to place a hot cup of tea or coffee. The room is adorned with decorative accessories such as ceramic vases, a beautiful painting, and decorative pillows that add a pop of color and personality to the space. Let's step now into this beautiful small living room with a serene color palette of white, soft blue, and brown. The floor to ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light, making the room feel open and airy. And with a glass door leading to a large balcony terrace, you can enjoy the stunning view and feel connected to the outdoors. As we walk in this Scandinavian-style apartment, we'll notice quite a large open space, which creates a sense of airiness and openness, allowing for plenty of natural light to flow in. The stylish living room with gray walls and parquet flooring adds a modern yet cozy feel to the space. The gray walls serve as a neutral backdrop for the rest of the decor, while the parquet flooring brings warmth and textures to the room. The furniture in this apartment follows the Scandinavian design principles of lightweight and low-profile pieces. The combination of light and neutral wood tones throughout the furniture adds to the overall light and airy ambience of the space. The tiny living room from this image has a yellow sand colored walls, providing a warm backdrop, complementing the natural light streaming in through the large window dressed with white drapes. The hardwood floor adds a touch of classic elegance, grounding the space. Furnishings include a comfortable three-seat round sofa and a matching love seat, both adorned with decorative pillows that add a splash of color and textures. A versatile ottoman offers additional seating or a place to rest your feet, while the coffee table serves as a central hub for drinks and books. The room's charm is enhanced by black and white pictures that bring a timeless artistic touch to the space. The rose casually draped over the sofa provide both comfort and a homely feel. And that wraps up part 6 of our Modern City Living series, focusing on small living rooms. We've explored a variety of new design ideas that can transform your compact space into a stylish and functional heaven. Remember, no matter the size of your room, creativity is your biggest asset. If you've enjoyed this series and found the inspiration for your own living space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative design solutions. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll tackle another exciting aspect of modern city living. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep making the most of your space and style. Bye for now.